Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate product launches with Launchrock, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin automating your product launches with Launchrock, visit the Launchrock website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the necessary details such as your email address and password. Once your account is created, log in to your Launchrock dashboard. Click on the Create New Project button to start a new product launch. Choose a catchy name for your project that reflects your product. Select a template that suits your launch theme and brand identity. Customize the template by adding your product logo, images, and description. Set up an email list in Launchrock to collect leads from interested users. Navigate to the Settings tab to configure your email notifications for followers. Integrate your social media accounts to promote your product launch seamlessly. Define your launch date and time in the project settings. Enable the countdown timer feature to create anticipation for your launch. Connect any payment processing tools if you're planning to sell directly. Preview your project to ensure everything looks polished and functions correctly. Once you're satisfied, click the Launch button to make your project live. Utilize the Analytics dashboard to monitor engagement and collect insights during your launch. Continue to promote your product on social media and engage with your audience. After your launch, follow up with email campaigns to convert leads into customers. Review the performance data and gather feedback for your next launch. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.